this video, we're going to show how to manage your bookmarks for teachers. How to better manage your bookmarks for teachers. So I know that myself as a teacher, I have all of these bookmarks. This is my home computer. I have even more bookmarks on my school computer. And every day when we're at school, at least, there are a number of things that I need to have opened, continuously. My mail, my Microsoft email, my Google Classroom, my Power School for attendance every hour. So there's a lot of other things that I need opened all the time, and sometimes this can get overwhelming, clogging up the bookmarks toolbar here, or maybe there's just a set group of things that you need opened all the time. Here is a time saver that you can do to help you. So what you're going to do is you're going to right click in the bookmark toolbar, and we're going to add a folder. And let's call this teacher. Oops. Call this teacher tabs, and we're going to click save, and there it is right there, teacher tabs. We're going to move that over. So now we have a folder on our bookmark toolbar, and what we can do is we can move some of these in here that we know that we need every single day. Let's just grab a few more just to pretend. Alright, so let's say maybe these we don't need opened all the time. Well, I'll grab this one. Alright, so these few don't have to be opened up all the time, but maybe the ones that are in here now, we need those opened every single day. So if you put those in the folder like this on your bookmark toolbar here, all we gotta do is right click, and then we can left click on open all 8, and now you can see up at the top they're all opening. Every single one is all opening at the same time, and boom, you've got them all open. You don't have to go through clicking one by one. You just right click and open them all up, and all of them are ready to go. So Power School, Google Classroom, your mail, Edpuzzle, whatever it is, Nearpod, all those kind of things, you can have them open up right there. So I hope this can save you some time, teachers, and appreciate everything you do for the students. I'm a teacher also. I know it's been very challenging with all of the virtual classroom things that we're having to do now. So things are a lot different lately in the classroom. I teach at the middle school level, but hopefully this trick will help you. And again, thanks for watching.